What is presbyopia? Presbyopia is normal. Normally, when a young person reads a magazine, he holds it at 33 centimeters. But after 40, because our lens muscles get progressively weak with age, our focal distance changes, and suddenly after 40 we feel we are holding the magazine not at 33 but at 40 or 45. This is presbyopia. It is normal for anybody over 40 to have presbyopia. At 40 the power is plus 1. At 50 the power is plus 2. At 60 the power is plus 3. This is normal. Most people get worried when their power increases, but you must assure them that this is normal. Everybody who is 40 has to get presbyopia. If you don't get presbyopia, there is another reason for that. This reason is usually myopia or short sight. A short-sighted person with -2, till he is 50, the short sight cancels the presbyopia because -2 can be cancelled by +2. But when he becomes 52 and the power becomes 2.25, now 2.25 minus 2 is 0.25. At that age, he develops presbyopia at the age of 50. So, normally a person develops presbyopia at 40 and a short-sighted person develops presbyopia much later on. The easiest treatment for presbyopia is to wear glasses. Glasses can also be a progressive type where there is a distance focus and a near focus and multiple layers of intermediate focus. It can also be treated by progressive contact lenses, not so successfully. LASIK is also advocated as a treatment for presbyopia, but there is a problem. Usually one eye is selected and that eye is made myopic so that you can see it near. The other eye is left to see distance. But such a person will have a severe problem driving because one eye sees distance, the other eye sees only near. The treatment for presbyopia is therefore ideally glasses, and if the person gets tired of wearing glasses, then the recommended treatment is surgery. In surgery, you can place another artificial lens inside the eye and you can get natural vision as before.